In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace. We'll start right from your Squarespace dashboard so you can follow along easily. First, open the website section. This is your home base for everything related to your site, and it's where you'll access your pages, design, and settings. From here, go to Pages. The Pages panel is where all your site's content lives, organized into navigation areas. In the Pages panel, find the Not Linked section and select the plus icon. Not Linked is perfect for landing pages because it keeps the page off your main navigation while you build and test it. But the page still has a public URL you can share in ads, emails, or social posts. When the creation dialog opens, choose Add Blank. Starting with a blank canvas gives you complete control over the layout and keeps distractions to a minimum, ideal for a focused landing experience. Next, select Page. This creates a regular page rather than a folder, blog, or collection, which is exactly what we need for a straightforward landing page. Give the page a clear name. Short, specific names help you stay organized as your site grows. After naming it, open the page's settings using the gear icon. This is where you'll define how the page is labeled and presented across your site and browser tabs. Enter the page title. This typically appears in the browser tab and can influence how the page is read by search engines. So make it descriptive and aligned with the offer or message of your landing page. Then enter the navigation title. Even though the page is in Not Linked, the navigation title is useful if you decide to move it into your menu later. Keep it consistent, readable, and user-friendly. Now, set this new page as your homepage. Making it the homepage ensures visitors land here first, which is perfect for campaigns, launches, or time-bound promotions. Confirm the change prompts when prompted. Your site will immediately route visitors to this page as the default entry point. That's it. You've created a dedicated landing page, named it properly, adjusted its titles for clarity, and made it the homepage. From here, you can customize the content and design to match your goals. Think a strong headline, a single call to action, and minimal distractions. If you ever need to restore your previous homepage, you can return to the Pages panel and set a different page as the home page at any time. Thanks for watching and happy building.